Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add page to navigation in SharePoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, adding a page to the navigation menu can increase its visibility, making it easier for users and collaborators within the organization to find important or frequently accessed content. Now, users can navigate directly to the page from any part of the site, reducing the need to search or navigate through multiple layers of menu. And how do we do it? Now, I need you to go to the site that you are currently working on. Now, basically, users can navigate to the page from any part of the site, reducing the need to search, which aids users in understanding where to find this specific information. Now, basically, all they're gonna do is click the gear icon, all right, in the right corner and select Site Contents. Now, the next option that you are gonna see is locate the site pages within the Site Contents page and open it, all right? Now, once you do that, when you find the page you want to add to the navigation to the list of pages, you can create a new page if needed using the new button. You see here on the upper right corner, just click on Add a Page. But for you to be able to do that, you can have an option for the page template. You can use the blank, the visual, the basic text, or templates for highlighting videos such as starter, training, recap, and message. All I'm gonna do is select the page by clicking on the ellipsis icon right here. For example, this one. You can set default selection. All right. And then you can choose pin to top or pin to quick launch depending on where you want to appear in the navigation. Now, once pinned, the page should now appear in the navigation menu on your SharePoint site. It's a very straightforward process. Now, when you navigate to the SharePoint site, just click on the gear icon in the top right corner and click on Site Settings. All right? This one right here. And then go to the site information under the look and feel and click on navigation. All right. Once you've done that, of course, these steps might slightly vary based on the specific SharePoint environment and customizations. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.